As other films have discovered to their cost, open bracket, snakes on a plane, comma, anyone, question mark, close bracket, comma. Successful marketing campaigns are all very well when it comes to pumping up mass anticipation, comma. But if a film doesn't live up to its billing, comma, it won't survive past its opening weekend, full stop. Happily, comma, Cloverfield definitely has legs, semicolon. Partly because you get to spend an evening with a group of good-looking young people in their party clothes being scared out of their wits, full stop. Try to beat that for entertainment, full stop. And also because it takes a clever twist on the monster movie and brings bucket loads of tension and thrills out of it, comma, transplanting all the traditional values of great horror movies into an ultra-modern context, full stop. And that isn't the only trick it pulls off, full stop. Because while you're always sure you're watching immediate, comma, real events shot on some relatively low-tech digital video camera, comma, the film is so skillfully shot, comma, lit and edited that it is always full of visual interest, full stop. The pace is clever, comma, the shock moments are dropped in at expertly judged intervals, and the gripping part reaches a thoroughly satisfying conclusion, full stop. Definitely, comma, one of the best monster films in recent times, full stop. Cloverfield is just a cracking night out, full stop.